I'm attorney Nick Alcock. This holiday season, be careful about using the internet. Be careful about scams and emails, because there are lots and lots of bad people out there that want to take advantage of you. And I'd just like to touch on a couple of things that I've been paying attention to. We're obviously all very familiar with the concept of these emails from Africa, emails saying that if you pay a certain amount of money, they'll be able to release $150 million, of which you'll get 20%, things like that. That scam is so well known. It amazes me that people are still doing it. It amazes me that it still is an effective scam, because so much has been written about it. But it seems like there has been some evolution in the way that these scams are being perpetrated. Now, more than ever, identity theft seems to be what people are after. And I routinely get emails from random people, but the email is sent in a way so it looks like the IRS is sending it, or my bank is sending the email, or for example, the internet provider is sending an email saying that you need to re-verify your password. And I can just tell you, as an attorney, I don't think that there's any institution out there that would send an email to a person saying, we need to get your passwords, we need to get your social security number. That's just not how it works. It's not how the system works. So if you are receiving an email from anybody and they're asking for your personal information, they're asking for your social security number, they're asking for your date of birth, they want you to verify passwords, just don't do it. Because you know what, if it was legitimate, then they would have a different way to contact you. They would be able to send you a letter, they would be able to call you, there'd be some other manner in which they would be able to notify you. And even if you speak with a bank, let's say you call a bank and you're talking to them, those bank managers will never ask you for a password, an online password. It's just not something that they would even ask for. They might ask you for the last 4 digits of your social security number, stuff like that. But as far as the online passwords go, they very rarely want that information. So if you get an email, if you get some type of contact where they're asking for that information, just don't, be very, very careful and don't respond. You can always call your institution, call the bank, call whomever, or send an email without that information asking for verification. Obviously, there are also a number of scams out there that involves viruses, and so be very, very careful opening up any attachment whatsoever. And I've just noticed that during the holidays, it seems that people are obviously making more transactions or buying more things. Credit is being checked more rigorously and more frequently, and as a consequence, there's a higher number of scams that occur. So be careful out there, and thanks for watching.